The newest version of the Android N developer preview is now running on our Nexus 5X. Even after the official unveiling during Google I/O, Preview 3 still doesn't have a dessert name. Since the Android team is shirking their responsibilities in naming their own products, for the purposes of this video, I will call this update Android Napoleon because Napoleons are delicious. If you've been following the Napoleon preview progress, Beta 3 will look very familiar. The new notification shade layout and animations are running smooth. Our own Adam Dowd is super excited about the Clear All option. The multitasking button can quick toggle you between recent apps or launch the new split screen mode. Sadly, we're not able to stream YouTube and Netflix at the same time. For those of you who aren't just messing around, using this feature for real is a joy. We're really happy to see native split screen apps on Android. So what's new in Napoleon for Preview 3? Well, not a lot we can actually show you yet. This build of Android delivers the new VR mode for Android, which will improve performance for virtual reality apps, but this performance option needs to be embraced by developers before consumers will see benefits. Anecdotally, cardboard apps seem to run about the same as they always have. For folks who pair up with a hardware keyboard, there's a new option to toggle keyboard shortcuts. Users can hit Alt// to see what shortcuts are available. But again, we can't find any apps that are using this yet, so it's another thing we can't really show you here. We imagine it will look something like this window from the keyboard settings menu. The one thing we can show off is the new keyboard app, with better support for themes and background images. Look at this snazzy blue typer, which is pretty keen. And for some reason, if I wanted my keyboard to also be a picture of my first kettle corn experiment, I can totally do that. And the rest is under the hood stuff developers are sure to enjoy. Sustained performance mode should help manufacturers better communicate device limits to developers. Data Saver has a new whitelist option. Call blocking has more secure security exceptions. And the Launcher Shortcuts API will be delayed, pushed back to a future Android release. Folks, Napoleon is looking good. In day one testing on this Nexus, performance has been snappy and stable for a beta. We of course must caution viewers from using pre-release software on their daily driver phones, but if you're wanting to see what the future of Android has to offer, this beta is in pretty good shape. Now, if only they could sort the name out so we'd know what to call this thing. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for our continuing coverage of Android Napoleon. Help us out with some sharing, and hit that thumbs up button for a little extra positive reinforcement. For Pocketnow, I'm Juan Carlos Bagnell. You can chat me up on Twitter and Instagram as Some Gadget Guy, and I will catch you all on the next video.
I don't care what anyone says. The most important thing announced yesterday was Android N's dismiss all button.